Summer is in the air and I am feeling inspired. It is currently the middle of May, so summer is definitely approaching. It's still not quite super warm out, but I feel it coming. But anyway, yesterday I was going through my phone looking through photos from last summer, and I came across a bunch of photos and videos of myself doing a lot of different yoga poses and just general life in summer, and I realized I used to be really strong and I looked really strong, and I miss that and I want it back. And since summer is approaching in the next month or so, I thought that now is probably the perfect time to try to get back in shape. So I'm not like a gym rat. I don't have a gym membership. I don't plan on doing anything like that. But I do want to start just moving my body more, doing a lot of at-home exercises to get myself back to a place of fitness where I just feel strong and I build more muscle. I'm already pretty naturally thin. This isn't about losing weight. I probably won't change my diet very much because if you do follow my channel, you know that I eat pretty healthy. And so it's really about just building strength and muscle. So to hold myself accountable, I thought that I would bring you guys along with me, and then maybe you could join me too, and we could all do this together to get ready for summer. So I thought today would be day one. I don't really plan on doing a whole lot differently. I just plan on incorporating more movement into my daily routine and then doing at least one workout a day. So I'll share that with you today, and then I'll also just do a general what I eat in a day just to get started, and we can just kind of track our progress together. So yeah. So the general areas that I want to focus on are mostly in my arms and shoulders, my abdomen region, and my booty. I eat a pretty clean diet, so I think honestly having a flat stomach is like 80% diet, but I would like to build more strength there and just maybe have like a little bit more definition. And then I would love to grow my booty as well. So most of my exercises will be focusing on those regions, just to build strength and muscle there. So if you're interested in those, I can totally make a separate video on what workouts I'm doing. I'm not going to go super in depth right now because this is more just like a let's get motivated. So yeah, let me know down below. I can already tell that this is going to be a lot harder than I thought, because just doing those basic sun salutations, I'm kind of out of breath. And it was also like I was not nearly as deep into the stretches as I used to be able to be. So my flexibility definitely has declined. And then my arm strength as well. Like just going into chaturanga and stuff, it was really, really hard. So for lunch, it's gonna be a little bit lighter because I did kind of have two breakfasts today, but I'm literally wiping out all of the last food that I have because I do have to do groceries, but I want to go to the park or a cafe to do work later today, and so I wanted to combine my grocery trip with that. So we're just working with what we got, which actually came together quite nicely. So I'm thinking of making like a little veggie miso soup. So I just used up the last of my eggplant. I had some bell pepper, some ginger and garlic, and then some sesame oil, soy sauce, some organic miso. Where was I? Oh, I'm just hydrating some rice noodles, as well as some mushrooms, and then we have some tofu. So I'm gonna whip this all together to make some soup. So it is dinner time. It's not focused. There we go. So it is now time for dinner, and I've just prepped some stuff to make some tacos. This is just super easy. I've already pre-assembled everything, or pre-prepared everything, and then I just have to assemble them in my tortillas. But we've just got some black beans, some fajita veggies, some guacamole, some pico de gallo, and some cilantro. So I'm very excited. That is it for this video. I just had some dark chocolate and a speculoos cookie for dessert, and I also snacked on some potato chips that I forgot to film, but I wanted to mention because I think it's really important that even in times when you are trying to eat healthier or just lean out, I think it's really important to keep some of those fun foods that you just really like in your diet, because if you totally deprive yourself, it just leads to a feeling of deprivation, and you're going to end up probably giving up on eating healthy in general because you are deprived of those other things. Whereas if you sort of find a balance, I like to think of it as like an 80-20 sort of rule. 80% of what I eat is very healthy, and the other 20% is just fun stuff that I enjoy. But because 80% is good, it allows me that 20%. So I think this is really important because it's just a more sustainable way of eating, and just allows you to really maintain a healthy lifestyle and have it not feel like you're just on a temporary diet or anything, because you're not depriving yourself. So that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you found it useful. I'll probably do little updates throughout the month, just so that we can track our progress together. And again, if you wanted me to share the workouts, I can do that as well. Just let me know down below. And yeah, I'll see you soon.